youyeetoo X1 is an x86 architecture single-board computer, launched by youyeetoo tech company from Shenzhen. It can run full-featured versions of Windows and Linux. It features low-cost and high-performance characteristics. This video will introduce the second method of controlling GPIO under Linux, developing programming with libgpiod. Libgpiod is a C library and toolset used for interacting with Linux GPIO. To use libgpiod, you need to download the library on your development board first. Here, you can install the library and command line tools according to the official website's instructions. During the development process, we can use this library to write a C program to control the I/O ports. Check the program provided by the official website. The logic can be summarized as setting the pins to output mode. If the operation is successful, set it to high level for 2 seconds. Then set it to low level. Afterward, release resources. Finally, we need to compile the C program and run it. Run the program and observe the phenomenon. Discover that the bulb outputs a high level first, and after 2 seconds, it outputs a low level. Meets the expected effect of the program.